What's going on, little guy?
By the emergency line, maybe you saw something?
Keep an eye on him. I'll check the feed.
Copy. Let us know if you need backup, feathered friend.
What happened?
My snack supply is missing.
Huh? I trust no one. This is an inside job.
You're just gonna drop that on us, huh? Mm-hmm. You sound serious.
Noted.
Yeah.
We'll look into it. Listen up, ladies. Rules are rules. No donuts left unattended. And that goes for everyone, especially you.
Oh, come on.
He's looking right at you.
I'm not even the donut person! All units, snack alert.
Come on. He did. You're gonna confuse half the shift, Feather.
Cracker secured.
Oh my, that's official now?
I think we need to add him to the roster.
Break room's that way, Officer Beak.
Listen to him. He walks like he owns the place.
I smell betrayal.
Oh boy.
Look what I brought for our guest. Fresh crackers, straight from the vending machine.
Too convenient.
He's got trust issues.
Can't blame him. Still, want to try?
It's safe, partner. There you go.
What boy's it, see?
What's he looking for in there?
The truth is ugly.
Oh, wow. Did he just say that?
He did. You preaching now, Feather Boy?
What you got there, buddy?
Oh! It's empty! Totally, tragically empty!
Somebody beat you to it, huh?
A crime of the highest snack order! Sure did. Smart little guy.
Listen to that rapper, huh?
Classified. Oh, we have a comedian now.
Keep him around. You make shift more interesting.
What does it mean?
It means someone was hungry.
Where were you at snack time?
Snack time? You heard me, Officer Torres. 1,500 hours. The granola bar went missing.
I was right here typing up reports. Ask anyone.
Reports don't chew almonds.
I didn't touch your stash, detective.
I'll be the judge of that. Any crumbs on your desk?
None. Clean as a whistle.
We'll see.
What do you think, partner? That story check out?
Suspicious. But weak.
Yeah? We'll keep digging then. Good call, detective. Let us know if you can. He's really writing it.
Look at that beat control. I can barely read my own notes that neat.
Period. Done. Suspect list. Everyone.
That's not gonna narrow things down,
Covers
buddy.
all bases. No loopholes.
Smartest bird on the force. I'll handle this.
Oh, he's serious.
Look at him. Captain's got
Don't let him
competition.
near the paperwork, though.
You think he can't sign his name?
You think he can't sign his name? He'd probably stamp it with a feather. Hey, buddy. Mind hopping down for me?
I sit where truth sits. Line up. Look guilty. Yes, sir. Perfect. All right, who's lying about the donuts?
Excuse me?
Box was full at 0900. It's empty now. Somebody here has powdered sugar on their conscience.
Interrogating us?
Not yet, just squinting really hard.
Look, Feather Detective, we don't know anything about donuts.
Suspicious but cooperative. I like it.
Is he always like this?
You blinked. What?
Did you see that?
He called you out.
Yeah, he's keeping score.
I swear he knows when you're trying not to.
You just made his day.
Blinked. Busted. That's evidence right there. You all think this is funny. Kinda is.
Alright, big guy, what's the verdict this time?
Extra paperwork!
Come on.
You hear that? We're doomed!
Guess I better start stapling.
You happy, Featherball?
Paperwork, Sergeant!
That's sealed.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh.
Neenor, Neenor. You're gonna make me dizzy, little guy. Clear the road. That's perfect. I've got the goods, fresh from the bakery down the block.
Open sesame. Let's see.
Lemon bars, pretzels. I approve, highly approve.
You're not eating all of them, Featherhead.
Share and share alike.
First dibs though,
Only
right?
if you behave. No crumbs in the keyboard
Scouts
this
on
time.
her beaks clean.
Oh, what's in the mystery box, huh? Bet it's shiny. Bet it's... Oh!
He just froze.
Just locked on it. Look at those eyes.
Want me to open it a little?
Go slow.
All right.
Whatever's in there has his full attention.
That box looks familiar.
You hear that? Even your bird's curious now.
What's he think it is? Another stash drop?
Could be. He usually isn't wrong.
Smells like trouble. And peanuts.
Whoa! Snack delivery for me?
Looks like it, partner. Somebody out there knows what you like.
Sunflower seeds, top shelf stuff.
And a new toy. Think you'll approve?
I approve the snack first. Toy gets second hearing.
Fair enough. Try one.
Crunchy, salty, perfect. Case closed.
Glad we could help.
What about the cookies?
Relax, partner. We hid them for later. Smart move.
You lied to me!
Whoa. Nobody lied to you, partner.
He's been dramatic ever since breakfast.
Promises.
You said peanuts! I got pellets!
Pellets are healthier, buddy.
Healthier is boring. All right, next.
He's been glaring at you for a minute
Let him get it out.
I think he's gonna say.
I trusted you.
Okay, that was
Look,
dramatic.
Feather, nobody meant to break your sunflower seed jar, all right?
We ordered you a new one
Extra big.
with a locking lid. You're gonna love it. You ready for another shift, little guy? As long as he doesn't try to cuff anybody again. Oh, that was fast. Smell it. You smell the donuts, huh? Yes, ma'am. Here, try this. Best day.
Think he wants one? Look at that stare.
He definitely does. Here you go, partner.
Snack time. Thank you kindly.
Sounds way too polite for a parrot.
Polite keeps the treats coming.
Smart.
Bird.
Crunch, crunch.
Oh, that's good.
Happy now?
Case closed. Eat your heart out, Sherlock.
That easy, huh?
Open and shut. I read the room, I read the guy, and I read the snack table.
You're saying the donut crumbs gave him away?
Sprinkles don't lie.
Neither do you.
Nicely done.
You ready, buddy?
All charges dropped.
There it is.
It never gets old.
You sound better than half the attorneys I know.
Good work, Keith.
You want a sunflower seed for that performance?
Justice is delicious.
Did he just say that?
He did. And with crumbs all over his face.
You are something else, Farley.
Truth tastes even better. Can't argue with that.
Keep it up, partner. We like having you on the team.
Back on patrol, feathered friend.
We're back on duty, boss. Desk looks clear. Snack situation urgent.
Snack, huh? Classic.
Also need a keyboard check. Very important.
Don't you dare send an email.
Here, detective.
One cracker.
Evidence accepted.
You ready, buddy?
Case closed.
There it is.
Nicely done, detective.
Think we can put him on payroll?
Only if he wants a sunflower seed pension.
I'd vote yes.
Me too.
Good work, partner.
Good work, humans. Did it just salute?
It definitely did.
And sounding very proud of us.
Thanks, little guy.
Keep up the good policing. Snacks optional.
We'll see what we can do.
I knew all along.
No way. Did you hear that?
He's been holding out on us.
Smartest one in the room, apparently.
You got anything else to confess, partner?
Never touch another bird's snacks.
Loaded.